Tired of seeing your Instagram ad prices in the wrong currency, potentially confusing your audience and messing with your budget? First things first, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Now, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on it. A menu will slide in from the right side. Scroll down through the options until you find Settings and Privacy, and tap on that option. Okay, now you are inside Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Business Tools and Controls, and click. You will see a bunch of options here. Find and click Add Payments. You will see your current ad spend details and balance here. Now look for the option Payment Methods and click. You will see the linked payment method here. Now click the three dots icon next to the payment method. A Remove Payment Method screen will appear. Click Remove. Heads up, to actually change your currency, you need to hop over to Facebook Business Manager in your web browser. Go to business.facebook.com and log in. Once you're logged in, look for the All Tools button usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to reveal the full menu. From the expanded menu, find and select Ads Manager. This is where you manage all your advertising campaigns. Inside Ads Manager, click on the menu button in the top left corner. It's the icon with three horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Billing. This takes you to the payment settings. In the Billing section, find your ad account settings. You should see a field that displays your current currency. Click the Edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil, next to the currency. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to change both your currency and country. Select your desired currency and country from the drop-down menus. After you've made your selections, confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the currency for your ad account has been successfully updated. Now go to your Instagram app and relink your payment methods.